Hi everyone, we are in the middle of holiday season and I plan on manipulating this hair a lot. Because of that, I have to choose products and techniques that are good for my hair, and we'll keep it all here at the end of it all. And Aromas is sponsoring today's video. I am, going to talk to you about the benefits of well-rounded products. I feel like I'm a little bit of a mini expert on this topic because I have suffered with my hair. And they, of course, have a new shampoo, which is amazing. We're going to talk about this as well. And there will be a giveaway, so check out the description box because there are a lot of goodies in there. Today's focus is on wash day, and I'm starting with a pre-poo treatment. I used the Red Rose Damage Recovery Conditioner to stretch my hair in bantu knots so that it would be easier for me to wash it. It has rose oil to help detangle hair and prevent frizz, which makes it perfect for a pre-shampooing treatment because I need the smoothness to help the process. The fact that it has polyquats helps a lot. So this is my hair. It looks really full and nice and ready to wash. Now, Aromas has a brand new shampoo that I just had the privilege of using twice. It's part of their new scalp care bundle, and we will get to this later. But first, let me take a moment to show off my hair progress while I rinse out the conditioner, because we all know that I have a history of suffering with this hair, which is why I don't hesitate to make this type of video. I really do hope that someone like me can benefit from these tutorials. One thing I absolutely love about this conditioner is it does not create a film at all. You would think it's a co-wash. It's like there's nothing there. Because I've been yelled at more than a few times, I am going to part my hair and section it, not in braids or twists like people usually do. I'm using clips to wash my hair in sections so that the shampoo can be free to travel. And here it is, the first part of the volumizing essential shampoo kit that is perfect for women with thinning hair, and it is new to the line. The 5 Alpha Juniper Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo that's really long. In Charming Care, it has glycolic acid to gently exfoliate the scalp, and 5 Alpha Avocado. Anyway, it's from avocados, and avocados are a natural hair community favorite. The extract helps balance oil production and is great for dandruff, inflammation, and all sorts of scalp ailments. It also has aloe in there to help stimulate growth, soothe the scalp, protect the hair from damage. Aloe is a nice well-rounded ingredient because it excels as a scalp product, a detangler, and a styler. You guys know I'm always using my Curly Magic aloe gel. Before we go far, let's talk about how you really should be washing your hair with this shampoo. Always start on dry hair if you can. I like to start on wet hair because I like doing pre-poo treatments and stuff, but this is ideal to get the best results. Also, the shampoo has markers that indicate how much you should use. This is a nice guide for anyone who doesn't know how much or how little to use so that you don't overuse product. But it's always a good thing if you're able to get away with using a little less than what is recommended. And of course, rinse out the hair as usual and continue with your wash day. My hair did not hesitate to shrink, but because the shampoo has a low viscosity, it's easy to rinse out. So consider using one like this or diluting it like I will with the volumizing essential shampoo for thinning hair, because this is a little bit thicker. The 5 Alpha from avocados is a DHT blocker to prevent hair loss, therefore volumizing the hair. But I guess that only works if you have hormonal hair loss. What really excites me is the use of essential oils like tea tree and rosemary to strengthen the roots. Also, the glycerinic acid is an excellent licorice-derived hair growth aid that relieves dryness and itching, so I need all of that preventative care right now. To finish things off, I'm going to go back to the Red Rose conditioner. This conditioner has linolenic acid to defend your hair from dryness and damage. This ingredient is common in a standard diet, so there's a very low likelihood that you will be deficient, but it's a nice boost and it is an excellent absorption enhancer. It also has jojoba oil for extra protection against breakage and split ends. I'm going to need that. After washing my hair, I did my standard African hair threading routine. It's kind of dry now, so I need to moisturize, but I did African hair threading so I could be under wigs for a little while. It's been about 2 weeks now, and right now I have some old bantu knots, so I'm gonna re-moisturize and just tie up my hair because I really do need to wash it, and I try to avoid keeping my hair down when it's due for a bath. But for now, I'm going to use the herbal scalp spray. You've already seen the spray. I have been using it to spray my scalp when I've had my extensions in. It's a very powerful spray and it can work from a distance, but I like to concentrate the nozzle on my scalp so that it's kind of like I'm targeting my scalp with an applicator bottle, and it's really going to be there and make it easier for me to just massage my scalp quickly. This scalp spray does a good job of hydrating because it has B vitamins, and it also is great for braids, under your hair extensions. Keep the itch away, soothe your scalp, just make everything more balanced and hydrated. And it strengthens your roots because it has thyme and myrrh in it, which are great for your roots. I should probably use it daily, but I seriously do not see the need because on wash day, the shampoos do a good job, and really during the week, I only need to use this like once or twice a week in between wash days. And then if I do feel like super itchy for some reason, something itches in there, I can use it to target the specific area, especially if I've used other products, because that's usually what happens. I usually have to use one of my scalp serums or scalp sprays to fix the effects of some product line that just went wrong in my head. I've had a few this year that have caused me to itch, sadly, even though I really wanted to like them. So this comes in handy when you have one of those moments when you're using something else and your scalp just starts itching for no reason. Alright, so the roots are done, and I'm not really going to moisturize my hair, but I am going to use my Trelux, what is this? This is the Curl Supreme. I am going to use my Curl Supreme by Trelux to just hydrate my strands a little bit, not really go overboard because I don't want it too wet. Scrunch the ends and make sure that I have product on them. I'm tying my hair up with my Swirly Curly Snap Scrunchie because it's really gentle on my hair. Just 2 of them together and that should be fine for my top knot. And I'm going to pull it up a little bit so that I can release a little bit more tension. Usually my hair is fine if I tie all the way up or all the way down. If I tie going back, then I'm gonna run out of edges. So that's how my hair is gonna be until I wash it. So we're done, and I love the shampoos, both of them, well, all 3 of them. This is the flagship shampoo. Really, they all feel the same. They're all different, but they feel the same in that they're very gentle on my hair. They're easy in, easy out. With the conditioner, I love the fact that it's lightweight, but I really love the fact that it feels like there's nothing there when I'm done, because I don't like a film in my hair. I want my hair to feel clean when I step out of the shower so I can apply the products that I want without interference from any film from the conditioner. You know, I just don't want it affecting what I have going on after the fact. Lastly, the scalp spray, great for targeting specific area, great if you have braids, box braids, crochet braids, passion twists, whatever. And of course, if you have your hair in extensions, this is gonna be your best friend. So that's all there is for this video. Thank you for watching. As always, I hope it was useful, and thank you so much Aromas for sponsoring this tutorial. I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care of yourselves, enter the giveaway, and bye!